broke it.
It's not broken, first of all.
You and me will always be tight. Emily, every single day and night. Even when you stop acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do. I know that I can always be myself. I love you more than anybody can. And every day as a man, not be school.
Watch a buck, no Milwaukee, honey. Walk it like I talk it. That's my bro, he know the lingo. Ain't no pocket talking. This some you know, why don't we know? Hold it.
What did YouTube crew? Your girl is back, and today's video is going to be a little different. I'm gonna show y'all how to make a prom dress under 20 bucks. I literally made this dress in like 15 to 20 minutes. It was super quick. This dress got so much controversy. It was crazy. Like, I was almost about to fight people over it. Like, it was that serious. If you guys follow me on the gram, then you know what's gonna happen. But it was so much, girl. I ended up getting suspended over a dress. Like, girl, it's a whole story time because, sis, it's real tea, okay? The tea is piping hot. So if you guys want to hear about what happened with the dress, let me know. And I'll make a video on the dress. But if you want to know what happened with the dress, I'll make a video, whole story time of how I got suspended and all that crap. But yeah. So, let's get started with the video. Hair from Fine Girl Hair. Okay, guys, so what you're going to need is you're going to need 2 sheets of fabric. I just have this curtain type fabric looking thingy. I like the color. I think it's cute because I wanted a champagne looking kind of dress, and I think the material is really nice. So you want 2 sheets of these. You can use satin fabric, you can use silk, you can use a mesh material, whatever you want. It just has to be 2 big sheets. I have it spread out like this. You're gonna also want to take is a thread and a needle, and that's all you have to use to make a dress. Super simple. Let's get started. Hey guys, so to start off with the dress, I took the first sheet of fabric and I basically just wrapped it around. If you wanted to be more technical, I guess you could have cut the first sheet of fabric into 2 and sewed it on like that, but I just wanted to kill time and I just wrapped it around. And I took a safety pin just to hold it in place before I started to sew it on. So that's what I did there. And then I took some of the fabric towards her feet because there was like a lot of room, like a lot of fabric towards her feet, and that's how I kind of created the tail. It's really easy to create the tail with this fabric because when she's kind of shorter, the fabric was really long, and I just put the fabric towards the front, and that's how I made the tail. Then to make the top part, what I did was I folded the fabric into this like really big bulky thing, and it just didn't look right, so I ended up unfolding it. And what I should have did was I should have just cut off a small piece of fabric and sewed that onto the bottom part of the skirt, but I just wrapped it around. That's where I kind of went wrong. I should have just cut it and sewed it to the skirt that I had already made, but it's whatever. It looks fine in either way. Here I'm going in and I'm sewing the dress I'm sewing the first sheet of fabric to the second. So you can just watch. It's pretty self-explanatory. I don't want to like make it seem more difficult than it has to be, but yeah.
Down. Last girl signed in the floor so wet. Now I'm focused about the all blow up. Just trying to make the whole crowd go nuts. What? We don't know no one like you. Gold grills and you dance like Michael. No ice, no Swiss, no typos. Look. Wait, we just wanna make you go psycho. Put $100,000 in the Bible. I took the game with my eyes closed. Eyes first before the award show. Eye contact on my torso. Me and boy dipping in the torso. I ain't even taking on torso. Rushing this fire, I'm also what? Young kitty dying on the floor, so what? She broke my heart to the core, so what? I guess we all gotta grow. I'm just an icon living. So don't pick a label, Miss just did it. Interview for 5 minutes. That's why in the business. I'm going straight to the top of the road. You should just feel the big tickets. When we get up, there's nowhere to go. We can feel it, you're leaving the wall. Damn, look the yellow rose in the full rifle. Me and her doesn't go circle. Put my hands in the Bible. Wait, go keep this like Michael. I'm like a light bulb. I'm on the money in the Nike. Want to make a movie independent. Ain't no trust independent. I ain't no business to the rich. All your bitches are like that.
So here you can see where I was talking about the tail. I really wanted a mermaid vibe look, so this really was accomplished, as you can see. But yeah, so I made the dress really tight and fitting on her because my sister is skinny and so am I. So I had to like really make this dress fit. But yeah, that's pretty much all. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know. If it helped you out in any shape or form, let me know as well. Any hate comments will be deleted and you will be blocked from my channel. So, yes, thank you all. Bye. Mwah.
He was a man of me, yeah. No, now here's your chance. See, I'm already had a man, yeah. Just like he's been, not even worried about him, yeah. That's the truth. I think he's just a man for you.